So this table represents the best but also the most undervalued fast-growing companies, and we have 75 companies here that match our criteria, such as we want to see the company doing maximum sales, having all positive quarters year over year, last 1.5 years, and the same goes for the book value. And the numbers, all of them are double digits, or they just show a very consistent sales, and they all have also a very healthy net income margin. And I have ranked them by the price to sales ratio discount, meaning we take the historical mean and we take the current price to sales ratio divided, and we get the how many cents per dollar we actually paying. So the cheapest ones here, we can get the companies for 72% off, because just the main public is kind of ignoring them. So some of the most more famous companies in this discounted list are Smartsheet, Paycom, Mercadolibre, Lululemon, Crowdstrike, Pinduoduo, quite famous, but we're not sure about their accounting. So let's just today have a look more into ACM Research and just show you, like, visualize what kind of companies we're looking for, and show the pricing, which makes it a good buy. So we want to see the maximum revenues. So this kind of company, we see that the sales are quite volatile. So it's the good practice to average the quarters over 6 quarters, so we see a lot better picture, which is very high growth. So some quarters are more and some less, but if we average it out over the years, it's actually quite stable. So we also see that they have been increasing their positive quarters. So last 2 quarters have been showing that last 1.5 years were all quarters were positive year over year. All time positive quarters, also quite high, close to our benchmark. So we see increase in compounded annual growth rate, which is exactly what we want to see. And book value, quite a sharp rise. I think the market cap is very close to the book value, like around 1. So this is as good as it gets since 2020 second quarter. There has not been a negative quarter. If we're talking about increasing the book value for shareholders, so this graph shows the same. It's going up from 75% to almost 100. So good healthy numbers in increasing the book value. I think they have not had a negative quarter. So what makes it number 2 on our list out of all companies is the relative undervaluation. So the investors saw a good potential, but looks like ACMR is a bit neglected at the moment. And let's have a look more into the numbers. So during COVID, the price to sales was around 20 or more. It got off, so hard to say. And then we had the crash in price, close to 1 price to sales ratio, and it has not recovered since then. And so at the moment it's price to sales 1.19 we say, but the historical mean, with most companies, they do not change that much. So the fair price to sales is 5.56. So meaning ACM Research is discounted at 72% off. And now let's see what's the target. So we take the current price, divide by the discount, and we give the price target to ACMR to 55.4, around $55 USD.